Welcome guys back to the channel. I still remain your host Luke Monday all the way from Tech Your Luggage guys. Yes, truly guys, it has been long since I posted a video here on YouTube. Yes guys, Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. Just as I'm a little bit busy with my project, my master's program here. I'm trying coming to an end with respect to the program. Well, come next year I'll be coming out rounding up the program. So guys, that really do it a much work to do. Some occupied with my lab work, my research, trying to write and the likes. So guys, that is by the way, once again, Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year, guys. So guys, like few months back, the GCUB scholarship was already out. I know so many persons got the scholarship, so many persons didn't really got the scholarship, and also the Capiz government scholarship is already out. Like so many persons got it. Yes, a client of mine got a scholarship. Shout out to you if you are listening to me. You got a scholarship, so I'll be welcoming you down to Brazil. Come next year, I'll be welcoming you down to Brazil. So guys, like so many persons didn't really get the scholarship, and so many persons are a little bit worried with respect to coming down to Brazil, and so many persons have planned to come down to Brazil as a final destination. So guys, like so many persons are worried in the end of this aspect. So guys, I just want to let you guys know that yes, if you didn't get it in 2025, 2026, definitely you are going to get it once the right strategy has been put in place, once the right document have been arranged, and why the right document has been sent out, it's going to be sent or sent to the school to be able to assess them, to be able to analyze them, and also to give out this admission. So guys, just be rest assured that yes, I have some information to be able to share with you guys. For I crusade, I'm currently back fully to make more videos to enlighten you guys, to share more information with you guys. If Brazil is a country of destination, you plan coming to Brazil to study, either study, or you plan coming to Brazil from one way or the other. So guys, just be rest assured, I have the information you need. For those of you guys that didn't really get the scholarship and you want to come down to Brazil to study, currently there's a school called the Universidade Federal de Amazonas. This school is currently open. It has like some vacancies. So guys, I'll be using this medium to be able to show you guys how to apply to the Brazilian universities. It's very easy once you know the process, once you know how to navigate this process, it's very easy. For those of you guys that don't know how to navigate this, so guys, what you guys do for me, what you guys need to do for me, this is it. In the comment down section, just drop the name of the school, drop the name of the school and your program you can apply to the schools. Drop the name of the school on the program. I'll be making content. I'll be assessing each and every of the school. I'll try to navigate the website of the school to know the requirements, so I'll be able to address you guys, to inform you guys that these are the documents you need to do, these are the documents you need to gather, these are the steps you need to take to be able to apply to the school. So that to make it much easier, to be my joy to have like so many persons down in Brazil that got this information first hand from me. I'm currently there in Brazil to be very happy as a person, because my plan is to see you guys there in Brazil come 2026. Like I said, 2026 is the year to take your luggage from your present destination to where you're supposed to be. So guys, let me not waste much of the time. We're in this festive period. Let's see, let me use the opportunity to make this, to be able to inform you guys that guys, 2025 is already gone. 2026, we're entering into a new phase, and the new phase is for you to take your baggage from your present destination to where you're supposed to be. So guys, the portal had my screens already shared. I don't need to share my screen. You can see my screens already shared. So what I just need to do, I just need to dive into this website. They open, the editor, the program was so once I click it, the program, the list of programs the school has is going to pop out. So guys, as you can see, these are list of programs. They have science of materials. They have like a physiology, they have like sociology, they have like mathematics, information, electrical engineering. Electrical engineering have like more vacancies, and guess what guys, the electrical engineering has like vacancy with respect to master's degree program and doctorate degree program. They have like economics, the vacancy is very low. They have like mathematics, they have like so many, they have like science, it's very much. So guys, this is what I'm going to do. I'll try to assess this. Let's assess the electrical engineering program to see what they have, to see the program duration, to see the timeline to apply to the school, and what they really need to apply to the school. So guys, like I said, if you know you want to apply to any Brazilian university, just drop down the name of the school in the comment down section, drop the program you intend applying to. The rest assure I myself will try to access this institutional website to navigate the process and able to address you guys on the needed information you need to apply to this school. If the scholarship route is not for you, definitely you can still come down to Brazil through the major route. Through the major route by applying to the school directly, and definitely you're going to get this admission. Once you're here, you can still apply for the scholarship. So, guys, let's apply. Let's dive into this website. Let's dive into this program called the electrical engineering program. So let's dive into it. So let's see, as guys, it's already open. As you can see, the UFAM pre-selection, the program open selection for master's and doctorate degree student in electrical engineering with registration in 2026. So this is what you're trying to see. It's already open to the University Federal of the Amazonas. So they have like 78 vacancies. 78 vacancies for the master's degree program. They have like 38 vacancies for the doctorate degree program. They have like 40 vacancies. So if electrical engineering is your area of specialization, if this course is your area of specialization, you have a better opportunity to apply to this program because they have like a lot of vacancies. The University Federal of the Amazon, this school has a lot of vacancies with respect to electrical engineering. Now, guys, guess what? The registration is still on. You have like more time. Guess what? You have between 13th to 19th of January to be able to perform this registration. You have like enough time. Like those of you that apply to the GCUB scholarship, you have your document already ready. It's just to apply to the school. It's just to apply to the school. And how to apply to the school? This is a port. This is the link to access this and to apply to the school. So guys, let me bring it to your notice. Like each and everybody in university, like I always say, they have this requirement. What are the requirements? Your research proposal and your CV. So guys, this is one of the requirements. This is one of the requirements. You say candidates should write a test between 500 to 1005 about the team directly in the form of registration. This, when you assess this, the technical aspects, your objective, these are the classification phase with respect to the schools. So if you're applying to the schools, you have like a research proposal, and these are the limits to what you can write. These are the limits to what you can write. So guys, I don't want to waste much of the time, so I won't be able to assess this, but guys, I'm leaving this for you to be able to assess. If this school is a school you want to apply, just drop it down in the comment section. I myself will assess it directly. I'll assess it directly and show you each and every step, each and every document you need to put and you need to apply. They have like a classification stage. And the first stage for the classification, you need, okay, guys, this is it. The first stage, this is for the master's degree program, the master's degree program. This is the requirement for the master's degree program, and this is the requirement for the doctorate degree program. For the master's degree program, the minimum point you need to have in terms of the research proposal is 7 points, while your curriculum also has a point with respect to this. Your academic, your credentials, the quality of the historia del scholar, which is your transcript, all these points matters, all these credentials matters with respect to your classification, entering these universities. So in terms of the doctorate degree program, they offer like 40 vacancies distributed. They have like 40 vacancies. These 40 vacancies being distributed across the individuals South Lab. So guys, first of all, for the registration, the first step of it, I say, as established the selection, the step of selection, first of all, the analysis of your pre-project, guys, like I always say, the research proposal is the key here in Brazil. You need your analysis of your pre-project. This also carry the minimum point of 7 points. This is the minimum you can get with respect to this. While the evaluation of your CV, here they call it the curriculum vitae, the evaluation of your CV also takes a key point. Take a key point of this. You're a student, a scholar, these are classifications. So guys, if this school is a school you want to apply, just drop it down in the comment section, drop your program. I'll dive into this and show you more on how to be able to apply. Let me bring this to your notice, guys. So guys, you still have like more time. The first stage of registration from 13th to 19th of January 2026. The second, the result will be outcome match. The result will be outcome match. And they have like a second phase. The second phase, you're going to start with 16 to 22 of June, where the final result is going to be out come July. So guys, you have more time if electrical engineering is a course of study, both master's and doctorate degree, you have more time to apply to the school. This is just one of the programs the school's been offering. It's just one of the programs. So guys, I said let me bring this to your notice. I don't want to waste much of your time. Like I said, I'm fully back with more videos. I'm fully back to address you guys if you need any information you need. If Brazil is a country of destination, just drop it down in the comment section. Drop the institution you want to apply to, drop the program you want to apply to, dive into these programs, dive into this institution website, try to assess everything and make you guys to be fully aware of what you need to do and what you don't need to do with respect to applying to these universities. For those of you guys that are causing the government scholarship, GCUB scholarship, I hope to see you down in Brazil. I welcome you guys in Brazil. Come 2026, I'll gladly open my hands to welcome you guys in Brazil. If my state is a place you're coming to, you can reach out to me. Can you have anywhere I can render any assistance to you guys? I'm fully open to render this assistance. So guys, I say let me bring this to your notice. I'll be dropping more video with respect to how to navigate the entire Brazilian educational system, how to apply to the university, what and what document you need to do, what you need to upload, what you don't need to upload, and what is the best way to align your research proposal. It's not all school you find out, oh, my program is there, I need to apply. No, there are strategies to apply this. There are strategies to apply to the school. So guys, I'm fully back to give you guys the needed information you need. Rest assured, 2026 is a year to take your luggage from a present destination to where you're supposed to be. Once again, guys, I wish you guys a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. See you guys in 2026. Before then, expect more video. I look forward to see you guys in 2026. Remember blessed, guys. Ciao from Take Your Luggage.